Looking for the perfect range hood for your kitchen? In this video, we've picked the 5 best range hoods on Amazon to help you keep your kitchen cleaner, fresher, and smoke-free. You'll find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started with number 1. Number 1, we have the BREETEE Portable Range Hood. If you're looking for a compact and portable solution to reduce smoke and cooking odors, the BREETEE Portable Range Hood is an excellent choice. Designed for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, and tabletop cooking, it helps keep your cooking area cleaner and more comfortable. Equipped with a 5-layer filtration system and a powerful 3-speed fan, it effectively captures smoke, grease, and unwanted odors, while allowing you to choose the airflow that best suits your cooking. Despite its strong performance, it operates with low noise, making it ideal for everyday use without disturbing your surroundings. Its lightweight, space-saving design makes it easy to move and position wherever extra ventilation is needed. Whether you're grilling indoors, using a hot pot, or cooking on a portable stove, this range hood provides reliable performance in a compact package. Combining efficient filtration, adjustable airflow, and portable convenience, the BREETEE Portable Range Hood is a smart addition to any modern kitchen. At number 2 is the AAOBOSI Portable Range Hood. If you want powerful smoke removal in a compact design, the AAOBOSI Portable Range Hood is an excellent option. It's designed for apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, small kitchens, and tabletop cooking, making it easy to enjoy indoor grilling, hot pot meals, or portable cooktops without filling the room with smoke and odors. One of its biggest highlights is the 10-layer filtration system, which helps capture grease, smoke, and cooking odors more effectively for cleaner air. Combined with a powerful 3-speed exhaust fan, you can easily adjust the airflow depending on what you're cooking, from light meals to high-heat grilling. Despite its strong performance, the unit operates with low noise, so you can cook comfortably without excessive fan sound. Its compact and lightweight design also makes it easy to move, store, and position exactly where you need it. Whether you're cooking in a small apartment, an RV, or simply need extra ventilation on your countertop, this portable range hood delivers reliable performance without requiring permanent installation. With its advanced filtration, adjustable fan speeds, quiet operation, and portable design, the AAOBOSI Portable Range Hood is a smart choice for anyone looking for cleaner, fresher air while cooking. At number 3 is the IKTCH 30-inch built-in range hood. If you're looking for a powerful and professional kitchen ventilation system, the IKTCH 30-inch built-in range hood is an outstanding choice. Designed for modern kitchens, it combines strong suction, smart controls, and a sleek stainless steel finish to keep your cooking space fresh and clean. Powered by an impressive 900 cubic feet per minute airflow, this range hood quickly removes smoke, steam, grease, and cooking odors, making it perfect for everyday meals to high-heat cooking. It also features 4 adjustable fan speeds, allowing you to choose the right level of ventilation for any recipe. One of its standout features is gesture sensing, letting you control the hood with a simple wave of your hand. You can also use the responsive touch controls or the included remote control for added convenience. Bright, energy-efficient LED lights provide excellent visibility over your cooktop while using less power. The durable stainless steel construction is both stylish and easy to clean, and the unit supports ducted or ductless installation, giving you flexibility for different kitchen layouts. With its powerful performance, smart controls, quiet operation, and premium design, the IKTCH 30-inch built-in range hood is an excellent investment for anyone who wants cleaner air and a more enjoyable cooking experience. At number 4 is the AMZCHEF 30-inch under-cabinet range hood. If you're looking for a powerful and stylish upgrade for your kitchen, the AMZCHEF 30-inch under-cabinet range hood is an excellent choice. Designed with premium stainless steel construction, it combines modern features with strong ventilation to keep your kitchen fresh and comfortable while cooking. Powered by an impressive 750 cubic feet per minute suction system, this range hood quickly removes smoke, steam, grease, and cooking odors, making it perfect for everything from everyday cooking to high-heat frying and grilling. With multiple fan speeds, you can easily adjust the airflow to match your cooking needs. One of its standout features is the gesture control, allowing you to turn the hood on or adjust the fan with a simple wave of your hand. It also includes touch controls and a remote control, giving you multiple convenient ways to operate it. Bright, energy-efficient LED lights illuminate your cooking surface, while the built-in timer adds extra convenience. The durable stainless steel body is easy to clean and built to last, and the under-cabinet design gives your kitchen a sleek, professional appearance without taking up extra space. With powerful suction, smart controls, quiet performance, and a premium design, the AMZCHEF 30-inch under-cabinet range hood is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants cleaner air and a more enjoyable cooking experience. At number 5 is this portable range hood with adjustable height. If you need flexible ventilation for tabletop cooking, this portable range hood is a great option. Its adjustable telescoping height and 40-degree tilting head lets you position the fan exactly where smoke and steam are produced, improving airflow and smoke capture. With 4 adjustable fan speeds, you can easily choose the right level of ventilation for everything from light cooking to indoor grilling. The large aluminum filter helps trap grease and cooking particles, while the included oil collection cup makes cleanup quick and easy. Despite its powerful performance, the unit operates with low noise, making it ideal for apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, and small kitchens. Its compact design also makes it easy to move, store, and use wherever extra ventilation is needed. Combining adjustable positioning, strong suction, quiet operation, and easy maintenance, this portable range hood is a practical choice for cleaner and more comfortable cooking. That wraps up our top 5 best range hoods on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more top product recommendations. You'll find links to all the products in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.